Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Wednesday morning, December 11, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker, our Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Tuesday, December 10, 2024. The Sensex and the Nifty flatlined on December 10 after having wavered in a narrow range for most of the trading session as caution prevailed ahead of the upcoming US and India CPI data due this week. The benchmarks briefly dipped into the red but found support as the mid cap and small cap indices gained 0.3% each, helping the benchmarks close largely unchanged from the previous session. Markets welcomed the surprise appointment of Sanjay Malhotra as the new Reserve Bank of India governor on December 9. Benchmark equity indices. BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty 50 ended Tuesday's choppy session on a flat note. At close, the Sensex was up 1.6 points or at 81,510, and the Nifty was down 9 points or 0.04% at 24,610. 27 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the red, dragged by Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Bharti Airtel, and HDFC Life. Among other Adani Group stocks, Adani Green Energy ended lower by 3.45%, followed by Adani Power down 2%, Adani Total Gas down 1.85%, and Adani Wilmar down 1.41%. On the other hand, Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Wipro, HCL Tech, and Infosys were among the 23 Nifty 50 constituents that ended in the green. Among the broader markets, Nifty Mid-Cap 100 and Nifty Small-Cap 100 indices ended higher by 0.23% and 0.28% respectively. Nifty Bank was up 170 points or 0.32% at 53,577. All sectoral indices ended in the green except for Nifty Media, Auto, Pharma, and OMCs. Notably, the Nifty Realty Index outperformed other sectoral indices, ending higher by 1.43%, led by gains in Raymond and Phoenix Mills. Among a lackluster session, the IT Index emerged as a star performer, gaining nearly 1% and hitting a record high of 45,377, led by Infosys, LTI Mindtree, and Wipro. The IT sector benefits significantly from dollar-dominated revenues, and any further rupee depreciation is expected to bolster bottom lines. In contrast, the Nifty Energy and the Nifty Oil and Gas indices fell 0.6% and 0.3% respectively. Reliance Industries and ONGC fell over 1%, each dragging the Nifty Oil and Gas Index down. Amongst individual stocks, shares of Greaves Cotton rallied 18.5% as ace investor Vijay Kedia acquired 12 lakh shares through a block deal representing a 0.52% equity in the company. Religare Enterprises shares rose 3.5% after the RBI approved the Berman family's plan to acquire an additional 26% stake in the company. The RBI directed the acquirers to consolidate NBFCs within the group structure by March 31, 2026. Shares of Life Insurance Corporation of India fell nearly 4% after posting a 27% year-on-year drop in total premium collections in November. In the US overnight, Wall Street main indexes closed lower on Tuesday as investors looked ahead to crucial inflation report set for tonight. All three major indexes fell, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling 154 points or 0.35% to 44,247. The S&P 500 lost 18 points at 6,034, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.25% to 19,687. Brent crude is $72.11 a barrel. Gold is rupees 78,460 per 10 grams. Silver is rupees 95,400 per kilogram. Now for today's outlook for the Indian market. On the daily chart, Nifty 50 has formed a hammer kind of pattern which suggests a strong bottom Support is placed at 24,500, 24,550, and is set to move towards the recent high of 24,850. The sentiment is likely to stay sideways in the near term unless the index makes a decisive move beyond this range. A break below 24,470 could trigger a correction of 200 to 250 points, while resistance is seen at 24,700 to 24,750. Stocks on radar today. Office Space, IOB, HG Infra, Shakshi Medtech, NTPC Green Energy, Ashai India Glass, LTI Mindtree, Asian Granito India, Asian Paints, Moripon Laboratories, Asiana Housing, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Hinduja Global Solutions, JSW Steel, and Syngin International will be in focus on December 11th today. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.